Hey Vikas, I've been thinking about withdrawing some money from my mutual fund investments. Will it affect my overall growth?
It can, Sapna. Withdrawing money prematurely can disrupt the compounding effect, which is crucial for long-term growth.
Compounding? What does that mean?
Compounding helps your earnings generate potential earnings. When you withdraw funds, you reduce the base amount, which can slow down the growth of your overall investment.
That makes sense. So, withdrawing isn't just about losing a portion of the investment, but also the potential growth it could have earned?
Spot on. Plus, frequent withdrawals can lead to exit loads or tax implications, depending on the type and strategy of fund.
I see. So, I should only withdraw if it's absolutely necessary?
Yes, and it's a good idea to align your withdrawals with your financial goals. If you plan ahead and maintain an emergency fund, you can avoid dipping into your mutual fund investments prematurely.
Got it. I'll think twice before withdrawing. Long-term potential growth sounds like the smarter choice.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.